Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add back those folders that you had quick access to in Windows 10. Folders like your music folder, your picture folders, and things like that. In Windows 11, you don't really see them like you did when you had Windows 10. You can see that there's nowhere on here. You just have your pin apps. And then if you click on all apps, all you get is a list of apps. So you don't see your picture folders, your music folder, your download folders, and other folders that you're familiar with when you're actually using Windows 10. So I'm going to show you how you can add them to the screen right here when you click on the Windows icon. So first thing you want to do is right click on the desktop and go down to personalize. Once you get into personalization, then you want to go down to start. And then once you get into start, you want to go down to folders. Once you get into folders, you're going to see a list of things right here. Your documents, your download, your music, your picture, your videos, and network and personal folder. So all you have to do is go to and turn on the ones that you would like to see. So once you click all the ones you like to see, then they're going to pop up right down there by the power button. So you got your download, you got your picture folder, and then you got your music folder, all represented by icons. And once you choose on that icon, it's going to automatically open that folder. So now you have that quick access like you did before. Now if you click on this yellow folder, it's going to actually show you all your quick access folders right there on the top. But if you don't want to go to all that and you want to click on the Windows icon and have quick access to them, that's how you add them to that menu so you can have quick access to it. So that's how you have quick access to your download folder, your picture folder, your music folder directly, just like you used to when you had Windows 10. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. Thanks for taking the time for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.